So one of the most popular characters on the show is Scoop. He's incredibly funny. Boys love his type of humor and he's very unique. We have our Super Scoop here, which will bring him to life through the use of Bob's smartphone. He's an awesome RC toy. This is a prototype right here. He'll be able to go forwards and backwards, pick things up with his back bucket, pick things up with the front bucket right here, and with the push of a button, he'll do this awesome stunt to help celebrate a great day of having fun and building things on the construction site. He stands on his head, he brings up his back bucket, gives you a big high five. What? Give me another one, Scoop. Yeah, the Scoop, the Scoop, the Scoop is on tires. And then, without assistance from the child, he can set himself back down, and then once he raises that bucket up again, he is ready for more construction play fun.